GIFs are short looping animations that can be used in most messaging apps, and they're a fun way to give some color to your conversations. To send a GIF, we'll first go to Messages. Not all apps support sending GIFs, but most messaging apps do. Then I'll pick a conversation, and in the text field where I'd usually type my message, I'll tap the plus icon. Here you can add photos, files, or for example, GIFs to your messages. When I tap the GIF option, I'll see some suggested GIFs that I can browse, or I can just search by keyword. You can find pretty much anything here. There's reactions, memes, movie quotes, all of it. You can send a GIF alone, or you can add a message to it before sending it. These actually come from your keyboard, not the Messages app. Most Android phones have an option to choose from different keyboards. Mine, for example, lets me choose between Google's keyboard and Samsung keyboard. If you can't find GIFs, try switching to a different keyboard. And that's basically it. GIFs are slightly different from stickers, although they're very similar. I have a separate video explaining stickers and how to send them, and I'll link it below if you're interested. That's all. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more. Hope to see you in another video.